Now, these will go tight. Here's the pro tip for you guys. These bolts go tight, meaning that we are going to run them down until they stop. We're not going to want to overdo it because we don't want to snap that stud off. So we're just going to go down until the wrench bottoms out and stops turning. If we have to lean into it, we're not doing that. Because when you lean into it, that's when you're going to snap the studs. This is one way to tell if you're going to break a bolt or not. Oh, hold on. I need to cover this because this is really important, guys. Whenever you're tightening bolts down or you're trying to take them loose, the minute you have to lean into it to tighten it or loosen it, there's a good indication that you're going to break the bolt or the stud, meaning that that nut doesn't want to move. If the nut doesn't want to move, you're going to break bolts. That's how you know how bad the repair is going to be. And when you live in northern climates and you deal with rust on suspensions, breaking bolts is a common problem. So that's the pro tip. You can tell when you're going to break them because you're having to lean into it. The minute you have to lean and put that pressure into it, 9 times out of 10 you're going to break it. What could you do to kind of fix that problem? Let's see if anyone in the chat knows how to do that. Let's say you got a rusty bolt. Let's say you've already put a wrench on it. You know it's too tight. You know you're either going to break the wrench or break the bolt. What could you do to help you get that loose? It's not a guarantee. Nothing's a guarantee. But what could you do to help that? See if anyone in the chat knows. What could you do if you have a rusty nut or bolt? Bill, heat. Yes, correct. Add a little heat. But here's the trick with heat. If you have a nut, you want to heat up the nut. If it's a bolt stuck into the head or stuck into exhaust manifolds or something like that, and that bolt goes into the head, what you want to do is heat the casting. You want to heat around that bolt. Don't heat up the bolt, because what happens is you'll expand the bolt. That bolt will seize in there and you'll break the bolt when you put a wrench on it. So if it's a bolt, you want to heat around the bolt. If it's a nut, you want to heat just the nut. Meaning that sometimes you need to use a little finesse with the heat and kind of work around it a little bit. You don't want to just pour the heat on and over soak everything in heat. That isn't going to help you. You only want to get the pieces to expand. The whole goal is, let's say here's your bolt, here's your nut, okay? What you want to do is heat up this nut so that it expands and allows the threads to come out. Now, if this is a block and the bolt is going in, you want to heat up this to expand to allow you to get that out. Give me ones if that all makes sense to you guys. Give me ones if I did a really good job explaining that. And that's how us in the northern climates don't break bolts.